Second duel of the night. We're doing it on Omega. Back another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in the video, or want to see the deck list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the frames. Round 1. 2. Okay, I need... We need Alpha and Zeta. That's the starter. Get Zeta in the grave. Alpha, tribute Gamma. Ah, it's got something. Alpha activate effect. Phantom. I knew it. Yeah, Joel and Lockwood. Son of a... Gamma. Gamma, tribute Alpha, special, and then get Alpha again. Union carrier pass. Activate effect. And end perm. Dawn Knight. And that's it. Doing it. Draws Lancia. Neither player can banish cards for the rest of the turn. Instant fusion. Great. And DRYTRON6, cool. Oh wow. Petite. But that, he already normal summoned it. You can't go into a Vanity's Ruler. I think he's gonna go for the ultimateness. It's gonna Krypton Knight. Yep. Ultimateness, nope, nope. Gamma. So I'm gonna go for the access code or something. No. Let's just go for access code. Access code or Lyrilisk with. Oh, what the this guy's a level 1 too, so that's a 1, 2, 3, 4 attacks with Lyrilisk. It's 4. Yeah, oh my god. You could have went for Lyrilisk. I knew it. Boral Sword. Yeah, it's gonna have to attack. Yeah, it's game right here. That is game. Wow. It's game. You could attack twice, plus this guy didn't even attack it. GG. Switch and then attack. Yeah. Ouch. Well, definitely put some trolls in there. That's it. Oh, look at that, is silver. I'll go first, come on. If I get trolled, it's over. Round 2. Dude. Okay. Alpha. Delta. Effect. Benton. I need to get another draw. So, oh my god! I'm not gonna get the draw. I'm not. I'm not gonna get the draw from Delta, unfortunately. Delta. Tribute, Ben 10. Special. Ben 10 effect. Bandy's ruler. Bandy's ruler pass. Normal summon. Tribute. Tribute summon. Vanity's ruler. And Fernando. What the heck? There's like flowers right there. I didn't even know that. It's got green eyes, green hair. Preparation of rites, okay. Forbidden droplet. He just chained it with the preparation of rites. Is that 2 preparation of rites? Jesus. God. He's probably gonna go for Boral Sword again. Whoa, what the heck? Well, she has 4 arms, and so that means she has 4. IP Masquerena alternative art? Whoa! Since when? That's way better. That's crazy. Oh, it's gonna take my monster use. Yusaku? Oh. It's gonna Natasha. Natasha, take my monster. Activate Natasha's effect. Gain the 3000 and then. Yeah, banish Cyber Angel. Target opponent's monster. Take control. Oh my god. Oh! My Boral Sword. And then one more attack with Boral Sword. Finish him! Polyway X wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. How much did I lose there? Where was I? 70. I was at 1278. Now I'm at 1246. Yeah, you lose more than you win. That is crazy. I started off 1266. I won one duel. I was at 1278. Then I lost one duel and I'm at 1246. Wow. Well, I just lost like 20 points. I lost like 30 points from that. Holy crap. Jeez. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, if you liked it. See you guys.